Hello, bounty hunter. Welcome to Mr. Key.
Get the hell out!
Hey, I know this has been hard. I'm really glad we have each other. But if you die, I'm gonna have to tell everyone about all that hentai I found on your computer. So don't die, because I don't want to have to tell everyone about all your hentai.
Nobody's gonna give a shit. Everyone in space loves hentai. It's great.
Thanks for putting your life on the line. It's really cool of you. Or whatever.
Hey, kid. Looks like we made a pretty good team. It's been quite the journey. This might be the end of the line, so make sure you finish up everything you wanted to do before we head back to Earth. You, ready to go? All right, then. You're gonna need Let's Do It.
All right, let's do it. We got this.
Let's do it.
Let's warp this house back to Earth.
Let's do it.
Okay, dude, we get it.
Let's do it.
We're here.
I'm too scared to look outside.
Hey, kid. Before you go, come talk to me. I got one last thing.
Good luck. You got this.
Once you step out of the house, we're gonna warp away to safety until the deed is done. That means you'll be on your own.
No, not alone. The power of Gatlas will be on at our side.
Yeah, no shit. We know that. I'm just... God, it was just a figure of speech, Kenny. Look, Garmantuous is tough. You might not be able to beat him even with Let's Do It. So, if push comes to shove, use this.
What is it?
A remote atomizer bomb. Intel says Garmantuous has thick skin like armor, but if you can get this inside him somehow, then trigger it remotely, well, let's just say his guts should still be easy to fuck up. This'll blow him up for good.
You really think we're gonna need that?
I don't know. Just don't want you to die. You happy now? Happy that you forced me to admit I give a shit? Just take it. This thing was hard as hell to find.
Thanks, Gene. You know, we care about you too.
Okay, cool. Fuck off. Good luck. Don't you dare fucking die.
I'll be waiting to celebrate with you when you're done. So yeah, don't fucking die, idiot.
Holy shit, this is awful. But there's still time to save your people.
Let's do it.
Holy shit, that's the Let's Do It I remember.
God damn, he's a real powerhouse. Good thing we got him fixed up, huh?
Oh, fuck, he's strong. I'm glad he's on our side.
Wow, let's do it. You're so powerful. It's really impressive. Is everyone else seeing this? You guys gotta see this.
Let's do it.
Fucking pretty obvious where Garmantuous is, that giant fucking mega warp base in the distance.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Fuck you!
How's it going?
Having fun?
Hey,
Let's do it!
Oh shit!
hey, feel free to use my trick hole whenever you want. I do not care.
Let's do it! Let's do it! Let's do it!
Oh, let's go through the tube!
Let's do it!
Holy shit, they were using these tubes to transport humans? These aren't up to code. Look at these tubes. Alright, of course. Fuck it. Nothing can be easy.
Let's do it!
A sniper now? Okay, yeah, of course. Why not? Oof, they're really throwing everything at us, huh? I hope that's the last of it, you know? Just a clean walk up to Garmantuous from here on out. Okay, we're getting closer.
Hey there, Bounty Hunter, it's me, Pseudo, the voice of YouTube, the whole game. You know me, you remember me, don't play dumb, you fucking asshole. I'm here just to say one last thing before the game's over. Looks like this is the final mission. You're doing good, it's scary. I'm so proud of you. I've watched you grow from just a weak-looking
Let's do it!
now you're so strong. Everyone thinks you're so cool. You saved a bunch of Galleons. You're about to dismantle an entire criminal organization. That's impressive. That's pretty fucking cool. So that's all I wanted to say. That's a series wrap on Pseudo. No more lines for me. Bye-bye. I love ya.
Let's do it!
Shit, the whole neighborhood was destroyed.
You know, you could have been in there just sitting there having dinner or using the bathroom. That could have been your house.
Now you know what it was like for us on Gatlas, eh, Bounty Hunter? Sorry, that wasn't cool, but I am right.
Oh no! I hope nobody was in that big bathroom when it collapsed.
Can we lock?
Dying suck shit. Let's do it! Let's do it! Let's do it!
What's up? So long, fucker.
Let's do it! You get so good, you fuck! Go back now! Let's do it!
I'm gonna give you the Southeast Spangle.
Fuck you, G3 scum.
Good thing this isn't.
Okay, is that it? Okay, how's everyone feeling? We're almost there.
There's no time for feelings. Let's just focus on killing Garmantuous.
Yeah, not the time for chit-chat, Kenny.
Oh, come on, you're not still...
Mad at you? Look, it's complicated.
Kinda mad still, yeah.
Yes, it's complicated.
We all love you, Kenny.
It's complicated. Like I said the first time, it's complicated.
We had that powerful shared drug experience together, and we learned so much about ourselves and working together.
Look,
and
Kenny,
we...
there's a lot of shit to work through here. We're not gonna solve it in one drug trip.
Maybe we did, though.
You know we're here with you, Kenny. You're practically family, and we mostly only have each other. But it's not that easy.
Yeah, so let's just kill Garmantuous and see where things go from there.
We'll completely forgive you after we kill Garmantuous, Kenny.
Preacher, that's not true. But it's not true.
Okay, I get it. Let's just do this.
Let's do it.
And I'm here too! Knifey, your friend! Remember me?
Another pipe? What the fuck? This is lazy. This is just lazy game development. This is lazy level design. I'm calling it out. Kotaku, Polygon, IGN, all of you. You gotta knock us down a couple points. Another Sweezy fan.
Let's
She
do
is really
it!
popular with, huh? I mean,
And that's why I've always been the best gun.
okay, give it to me straight, guys. Do you really think we can beat Garmantuous?
With Let's Do It? Yes, big time. He fucks shit up. We're unstoppable.
Yeah, I guess.
We can do this, Kenny.
Preacher's right. We can. We can do this.
I hope so. I don't want to let everybody down again.
Hey, y'all! Did I ever tell you that you're literally my best friend?
I'm just glad I could help, too.
I'm back. See, I'm still pretty handy, huh? Shit, this is it. It's him.
So, bounty hunter and friends, are you ready to fucking die?
What? No, we're not gonna die.
Wasn't I clear? What are you, a fucking diagram? I told you you don't have a chance against me. You're gonna fucking die. I'm really fucking strong. And you killed all my men. You fucked with my operations. You trespassed on my territory. You understand why I'm going to fucking kill you, right? Is it clear?
Well, listen, I understand what you're saying here, but...
Jesus, Kenny, stand your ground. We're gonna fucking kill you, Garmantuous.
Let me spell this out so even a little tiny baby can understand it. I'm going to kill, K-I-L-L-E, forget the E, you. You're my property. You're my product. I control you. You really don't understand how the world works, do you? You think I'm evil, but...
No buts, no if, is, or but, dude. You're evil. You're like cut and dry evil.
That's just the only way you're capable of viewing things from your childish perspective.
No. It's from everybody's perspective. No one has an opposite perspective of you. You're You're the evil guy! You're just evil!
You're just naive.
You're evil, Garmantuous!
You're evil, and we're gonna kill you.
Hello, I'm Creature!
Can't believe you won't even let me monologue.
Committed alien genocide multiple times! Why would we let you monologue?
Because I've gotten to do it so many times by now. I'm so good at it. Oh, A+ monologue. You're letting it slip past me because you can't shut your trap.
Let's do it!
Get it through your skull. Fighting me is pointless. You belong to me. Fuck off, asshole. You fucking suck.
Let's do it!
Look what I did to your entire home planet. You think a single one of you is going to be able to stop me? Stop. You will be destroyed.
Let's do it!
Don't give up now. You think you're walking out of this alive? Are you fucking insane? An attack?
Oh shit, now's our chance! We have to shove that bomb inside of him!
Let's do it!
Yes, okay, little deeper. There we go. Okay, yeah, shove that bomb all the way up his asshole, into his or whatever's up there. Okay, that should be good. Now pull out and let's blow this fucker up. It's time for the G3 to become the G0. Suck my ass. Okay, what's wrong? Is it broken? God damn it, Gene, the remote's busted? Oh, shit.
Oh, hello. You're fucking done. Now it's time to make you really suffer. Let's make a deal. If you give up and turn yourself over to me, then I won't harm the two people you love most in this world.
Fuck, he's got your parents.
Behold!
Hey, it's me, Jack Black.
Hi, I'm Susan Sarandon. Do we know you?
Huh? Are those your parents?
Parents? What the fuck are you talking about?
I don't think the bounty hunter even knows these people.
Yeah, we don't.
But it's so nice to meet you.
So what? You don't love these two? Because every human I asked said they loved them.
Well, yeah, everyone loves us.
I'm sorry, bounty hunter. I'm sure your parents are still out there somewhere, you know? They're alive. I can feel it.
Okay, bounty hunter. Enough fucking around. Let's finish this. You're delusional. You think you're going to stop me? Why do you keep trying? You seriously need to just fucking die already. I'm gonna fucking destroy you! Yeah, my shit's toxic, but guess what? It's pretty fucking
Let's do it!
I'm sick of fucking toying with you.
Let's do it!
Look at the power your people give me. This is the natural order of things. Fuck yeah! That's some great ain't human.
Let's do it!
business, but good for my soul.
Let's do it! Let's do it!
What now? What now? The bomb didn't work.
Yeah, what's the plan here?
Let's
Just keep
do
shooting
it.
and hope for a miracle?
I have an idea.
Oh, fantastic!
The bomb might still be functional. I know a way to detonate it.
I knew you'd figure it out, Kenny!
I'll go inside of his asshole, and I'll detonate it manually.
Oh, that's not good.
Kenny, that would mean...
Yeah, I know.
Kenny, we're not letting you do that, okay? There's gotta be another way.
Can you think of anything?
Actually, no, I can't. I guess this is the only way.
You're gonna blow both yourselves up?
Kenny, you might die.
I know. Hey, Bounty Hunter, fighting alongside you has been, well, it's been the best thing that's ever happened to me. Thank you for giving me the adventure of a lifetime. Now shove me deep inside that monster slug's dirty asshole.
Kenny.
I want to do this. I need to do this. Okay. Well, I guess this is goodbye. You're the best bounty hunter I've ever seen, and you're an even better friend. See you later, pal. I'll always be with you, and I love you.
Oh, shit, it's done. Comanche is dead. He's fucking dead.
Rest in peace, fucker.
Good work, Bounty Hunter!
What about...
There's no way they could have survived that.
What a noble sacrifice.
I can't believe it.
No fucking way!
Oh my god, they survived! They made it! Let's do it!
I'm alive? Is Garmantua dead?
We owe you big time. The whole universe owes you.
Now you're a fucking hero.
I'm so glad you made it! We did it!